Namaste, I am Vinod Panikar Palakar, Kerala astrologer. Sometimes we are affected with negative energies. That is generally known as Badha in Kerala astrology. By doing Prashna and analyzing horoscope, we can find the depth and size and type of Badha or negative energy, what is affected in our life. The after effect of that Badha or negative energy is reflected as mental stress, body stress, and restrictions to all things and all activities, quarrel with our relatives and friends and our subordinates and superiors also. So the Badha is affected in all parts of our physical life. Generally, the Badha is known as Agantuka Prashna. The Agantuka is generally we calculating one person's problems as two type. That is, one is Nija and second is Agantuka. This is also calculated in medical astrology also. So Nija is coming or the after effect of horoscope, the Dasha, Bhukti, etc. The time. Okay, what is the time? The problems related with the time or horoscope. And Agantuka is coming in our life by our through our or the after effect of our today's life, our activities, our thinking, our relationships, etc., etc. So that is known as Agantuka and also known as Badha or negative energy. The Badha may be 2 and 3 types, just like Shatru Badha, Drishti Badha, and Sarpa Badha, Pidru Badha, Guru Badha, etc., etc. So what we can do for this Badha, the remedy is by finding or by analyzing horoscope and doing Prashna, we can find what is the type and color and size of Badha. According to that, we can do several type of remedies in Tantra, Kerala Tantra, and we also do some remedies in temples and taking some lifestyle. We can change some lifestyle to face this Badha. That is type. The remedies depend upon the type of and depth of Badha. So today I am going to tell that a simple method of remedy to remove our Badha. Just I am going to show that. Okay. First of all, we take a cleaned coconut and take some rice. Take some rice and keep on that coconut, and take some red flowers. Keep on that, and just this is a thread. This is thread of deepa or lamp, using to fire the lamp. Okay, this is known as tiri or thread, and just fire it. And keep on that coconut, and just we going to do this type of kriya, just clockwise. Rotate clockwise 7 times and anti-clockwise 7 times, and 7 times from the top to bottom. By this can do another persons to the affected person. When just here I am doing just this kriya for me, and another person can do this type of kriya or activity for you also. Okay, that's the right way. I'm just showing. So we do the rotation in 7 times in 3. 7 of 3, that is 21. 7 clockwise and 7 anti-clockwise and 7 top to bottom. And after that, just go outside the home and just break it. Okay. And the most important thing is one thing is, by just we should do some prayers. We should do prayers in the time of rotating this coconut. Okay. And if you know the mantra of Kali or Kali or Bhairava or Sudarshana mantra, you can use that mantra in the time of rotation. Okay. And after that, when we are rotating this coconut, we are using the mantra of Kali or Sudarshana or Bhairava, etc. And after that, just break it to road or outside of the home. By doing this, we can remove our stress and mental problems in our life. Okay, this is the simple way of remedy. This is not the remedy for all things and all negative energy. This is a light way or simple way of removing our negative energy from our body and our life. This can do in every Amavasi day, and every day in the morning or evening, or in special days. Okay. By doing this, we can remove our negative energy, and this is the remedy for all problems also. Okay. Thank you.